Hey guys, how you doing today? My name's Tori. In case you don't know, I got some fun for everybody while they're eating. A couple weeks ago, we had this FPV Central Florida meet, and everybody knows that it went a little wet. Learning about their quads and aircraft getting wet. So I said, you know what? I want to be able to fly my quad. It's raining. I didn't want to spray and stuff. So I thought I'd come up with this to protect my quad when it's raining. And I wanted to have a little bit of fun with it. So I seen one guy do this. I can't forget his name. Curtis Youngblood, I think his name is. He did one once with his Stingray. Flew it around. So anyhow, I've blown this a little bit. I don't know if the wind, whether or not it's going to be a good show. We'll see.
You can just Mary Poppins and just float to the ground.
Yeah, what do you need motors for? I think this flies in the face of science.
Pop it up and then you can kill the motor.
We're not banging rocks together here.
Is that what that is?
Yeah, we're banging rocks together. Yeah, baby!
Woohoo! Now deploy it.
Batteries loaded. Taking up. One other announcement here at the DJ booth. We have somebody's carbon fiber mount from the Emax frame or a similar 250, maybe ZMR frame. The little